This video on the FARGO HDP6600 card printer demonstrates how to replace the print head. Switch off the printer. Open the printer door and remove the ribbon. Using a Torx T10 screwdriver, remove the screw securing the print head bracket. Moving the print head bracket to the right allows it to be disengaged. Disconnect the print head data and power cables. Disconnect the ribbon sensor cable. Remove the side screw securing the ribbon sensor assembly. Remove the two screws from the top of the print head assembly bracket. The ribbon sensor assembly and rollers can now be separated from the print head bracket. To install a new print head bracket, start by placing the rollers into the assembly. Secure the rollers and ribbon sensor with the two top screws. Replace the securing screw at the side of the print head bracket. Connect the ribbon sensor cable to the printer. The print head data and power cables are attached as shown. Position the print head bracket in the ribbon drawer, making sure the screw holes are aligned, and secure it with a screw. Load the print ribbon. The print head replacement procedure is now complete. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.